Winston and Felix here, and we're going to tell you what's really important to know for the market next week. Some really key dates, and then Winston is also going to predict the direction of the stock market for the coming week. Seriously. So what's happening here? Well, tons of data, and that's Chair Powell speaking on the 1st. You've got inflation data out just before mid-December. You've got that's the 13th. On the 14th, you've got the Fed meeting. A lot of core economic data coming out here in the next 2 weeks, and that's what's going to drive the market as Winston's looking to eat this particular tree here. Now, if you listen to JP Morgan, largest US bank and all that, they're basically saying investors are jumping the gun. And while we do that, have a quick look at the view here. Isn't that marvelous? Absolutely magnificent behind us. I'll show you what it is. Down there, Côte d'Azur in the direction of Nice. It's a little dark, I apologize, it's against the sunshine. And then over here, behind that mountain is where Monaco is. And then, of course, there's glorious Winston. So JP Morgan basically saying investors are jumping the gun. That, yeah, they generally are positive as well, but they think we're doing it a little bit too quickly. Now, looking beyond December and beyond the Fed meeting, what happens in January? 134% of the annual inflows into stocks, statistically, traditionally, happens in January. Why? Think 401ks, company matching, all that stuff. That all happens in January. So January is a huge inflow month, generally speaking. And we still have some CDA money flowing in. We still have some buybacks flowing in. But we do have quantitative tightening fairly significantly. So that's a little bit what's going against us here. So I'm a little cautious going into the data here, but I do think that the Fed isn't going to give us a shock in terms of rate hikes unless inflation comes in really, really horrendously. So inflation is really what we got to watch for this week. And now let's do a little test here. So I've got a pear, which is, well, yellow greenish, and I've got a carrot. So the carrot stands for a bear market, the pear stands for a bull market. So shall we have a look at which one Winston's going to eat first? So hang on, Winston, wait. The camera around, and here we go. Which one does he eat first? Winston, is it a bull market or a bear market? Oh no, it's the carrot. You know what that means? It means sell everything. By God, bury the children in the backyard and generally freak out. So there is an indicator for you. It's the Winston indicator, although I suspect he will be eating the bullish indicator afterwards. So maybe that's what he's trying to tell you. Be wary, and then it'll be green after that. I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoy the magnificent views that we've climbed up here to today. We're about, we climbed about 1,800 feet up, done about 10K so far, and we're going to find our way down somehow to some beautiful little old French village and maybe find some food. I wish you a beautiful weekend. Oh, bear in mind, last 2 days of our Black Friday sale. So 41% off the courses at felixfriends.org/options, and a one-off, not to be repeated, sale on coaching. I think we've got 4 spots left out of the 10. So felixfriends.org/coaching, for those of you guys who've got at least a 5-figure portfolio, that is going to really end. That won't be repeated. Not this year for sure. So check that out, and I wish you a beautiful day.